Hey guys, this is a screencast tutorial on how to create a Google site for your Google Sites assignment. So we're going to start off going to your Drive, and this time instead of going to New, you're actually going to go over here to the right side of your screen to the Google Apps icon. Go ahead and select that, and you're going to select More, and then you're going to select Even More from Google, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says Sites, right here under Home and Office. Go ahead and click on Sites, and then you're going to select Create on the left hand side there. Okay, so it says select blank template and name your site All About Me Explorer Class and then your first name. Do not include your last name. So we're going to go ahead here. We're going to select blank template, and then All About Me Explorer Class, and then you're going to enter your first name there. I'm going to go ahead and enter mine. Okay, now we're going to select a theme, and then check the box that says I'm not a robot, and then select Create. So you're going to go down here. Here's where you're going to select your theme. For now, I'm just going to pick a random one. You go ahead and take your time and pick the one that you want. I'm going to pick Slate. And then we're going to scroll down to where it says I'm not a robot. Check that. And then back up here, you're going to go ahead and click on Create. Once your site creates on step 5, step 4, we're going to go ahead and change the share options to anyone with a link. So this is what my site looks like. I'm going to go over here, select Share, and then I'm going to, right now it's public on the web where anyone can view it. We don't want that. We're going to hit Change, and then go ahead and select anyone with the link, and save. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click right here to go back to your web page. Next it says save the website to your Explorer folder that's in your bookmarks bar. So what you're going to do, you're going to go over here, go ahead and hopefully you know how to do this by now, select the bookmarks bar, leave it titled as is, you're going to select Explore, and then you're going to go ahead and hit Done. Okay, now we're actually going to start making some changes to adding some things to our website. So on the home page, the first thing we're going to do is change the page layout to 2-column. So from here, we're on the home page. We're going to hit Edit, and we're going to change the page layout to 2-column. Make sure you select 2-column and not 2-column simple. 2-column. Okay, it says in the top text box, center your first name only, do not include your last name. So we're going to go ahead, here's the top text box. You're going to go ahead and just do your first name, but I'm going to use Mrs. Mason, and I'm going to go ahead and select it and center it. Then it says increase the font size of your name to 24, change the font family to whatever you'd like, underline it, and change the color to whatever you would like. So I'm going to go back here. It's still selected, so I can go here and make that go up to 24. I can change my color to whatever I want. Let's do red. Ooh, I actually chose to highlight. I don't want to do that. There's the color of the text. Oops, and I have that still highlighted. And the last thing we needed to do was underline your name. So that's going to be up here where the U is, underline. Now we are on step D. It says in the left column, insert an image of yourself or an image of something that has to do with you. So I found an image on Google. It says can't keep calm, I'm a teacher. So first thing I have to do before I can upload this to my site is to save it to my computer. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit Save Image As. Okay, so when you go to save your image, make sure you save it to your pictures, and then make sure that you title, if it's not titled something that you recognize what it is, title it, change the title so it's that you can recognize it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. And now I'm going to go back to my web page or my website, and the left-hand column, I'm going to click inside of that, and I'm going to hit Insert, Image, and then I'm going to hit Upload Image, and I'm going to make sure I'm in my pictures, and I can start typing in the file name and it'll pop up, or I could scroll and try to find it, but I've got so many I'm just going to go ahead and start typing in the title, and go ahead and open. Once your image appears here, you can go ahead and hit OK, and it should appear on your site here. Now this is too big as it is, so we can change it. We can make it smaller, medium size, or larger, or large. See, 100% of the column, we can do that as well, or we can change it to original, but the original is too big, so I'm going to keep it at 100%. Step E says, in the right column, insert your Wordle from earlier this quarter. Hopefully you still have your Wordle from earlier this quarter, and you know where you saved it. So we're going to do the same thing. Go ahead and click in the right-hand column, go back to Insert, Image, and then you're going to go ahead and select Upload Images again. And yours should be in your pictures. Mine is not, because I saved mine from last year, so I had to go somewhere else. I'm going to go ahead and type in Wordle, select it, hit Open. Okay, nothing like a little impromptu fire drill to interrupt the video. So we just uploaded an image, our Wordle, from our server. So you're going to go ahead and select the one you want to put into your web page, and then you're going to hit OK. And there it is again. I forgot to show you last time, so if you were to pick small, you can also pick left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. So I'm going to pick center. Actually, I think I kind of like the 100%. Okay. Step F says, in the bottom text box, you're going to write a brief 2 to 3 sentence paragraph about yourself, and then don't forget it says link at least one word in the paragraph to another website. So I'm going to go here, and here is the bottom box that I was talking about. You're going to go ahead and write your paragraph. Make sure to use, proper spelling, grammar, punctuation, complete sentences, all that good stuff. So I'm going to start off with, I teach at Little Miami. Okay, I went ahead and typed in my paragraph here. So now I have to link up at least one word from this sentence. So what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and link up Little Miami Junior High. So I would on another tab, I would open up the Little Miami Schools webpage. And I'd go ahead and copy the web address, and then highlight the words that I want to become a link. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight Little Miami Junior High. Okay, once you've highlighted the words that you want to turn into the link, you're going to go up top here, select link, and then that is where you will paste the link and hit OK. You know what? I messed up on that one. You're actually not going to paste your link there. First you need to hit web address, and that is where you will paste your link, and then you'll go ahead and select OK. And then you should see it'll be underlined there. Okay, now we are on step 7. We're going to create a new page and title it Family, and then we're going to go ahead and change the layout of the page to 2 columns simple. So to create a new page, you're going to go on over here, click Create New Page, and again you're going to title it, go ahead and title the name of your page, go ahead and title it Family. and we'll leave the rest of it the same and then hit create. To change the layout to 2 columns simple, you're just going to go back up here to layout. This time we're going to select 2 columns simple. Alright, it says in one of the columns insert a portrait of your family that you draw using Google Drawings. So you're actually going to need to go back to your drive, and you're going to need to go to New, go down to More, and then select Google Drawing. So you're going to need to draw out a picture of your family. Hopefully you're used to some of these tools by now. So what you can do is you can go to Shapes. So you can use the different shapes to create your family members. And then you can change colors and things like that. Let's see, or you can free draw. So there's several, just kind of mess around here and create a picture of your family.